Hi everyone, today I want to cook chicken karahi. The ingredient is two whole chicken. I washed, I cleaned, and I removed the skins. 3 big tomatoes. I already cleaned it and I peel it. Black pepper, مرچ سیاه, coriander, گشنیج خشک, red chili, مرچ سرخ, cumin, زیره, a little dry mint for garnishes, salt, dry ginger, and turmeric. And we need some red onion, white onion, crushed tomato, fresh garlic and ginger, half lemon juice, oil, optional, and we need some fresh pepper, the different color. First, I turn it on the stove. Put it 1 cup oil, and then we wait a little to the oil boil it. We want to put the chicken. Now we added onion because the color is turned yellow. And added some salt. First I added only 1 teaspoon. I don't want it to add too much salt, and later I tested. If the salt is less, I added a little more salt. But now is 1 teaspoon is enough. Now it's time for ginger and garlic. I add all of this ginger and garlic. It is 2-3 teaspoons. Mix it well. Now I added coriander, تخم گشنیج. Now I added red pepper, yellow and orange. It is not too much hot, but it is really sweet and delicious. This time now I added turmeric. 1 teaspoon is enough. I already boiled a little tomato and peel it, and now I add it in the chicken. Now I put the lid for at least 10 minutes. Add a little water. And put it back the lid. Okay. See, all the tomato is melted and it is good smell. The color is beautiful. I want to add 1 more chili, and now I want to add the mint. See? Half teaspoon. Black pepper. One teaspoon. Red chili. 1 teaspoon. If you don't want to add it, it's optional. If you want to add it, if you don't want to, you can do it. Mix it very well. The lemon I added always the last minute, because if I added 5 minutes or 10 minutes before it's cooked, it is tasted like too soury. Onion, lemon. Now the food is ready. This is chicken karahi. Enjoy.
I like it.